Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Wyze Cam Outdoor is probably one of the most accessible and feature-rich options for anyone looking to secure their home's exterior without breaking the bank, offering crystal-clear 1080p video, reliable motion detection, and a truly wire-free setup that makes installation a breeze, all while integrating seamlessly into the broader Wyze ecosystem for comprehensive smart home management. Number 5. Wyze Cam Outdoor Add-on Camera. This camera is completely battery-powered and wire-free, offering ultimate flexibility. You can mount it virtually anywhere, and it provides an impressive 6 months of battery life on a single charge. Installation is incredibly simple, eliminating the need for complex wiring or searching for power outlets. The Wyze app provides friendly, step-by-step guides, making DIY wireless setup a breeze. Protect every corner of your property with ease. You can connect up to 4 of these cameras to a single base station, allowing you to view all video streams conveniently within the Wyze app. Experience smart security with intelligent alerts. Its PR sensor detects movement by sensing body heat, and you can even set custom detection zones. Enhanced features like person and package detection are available with Cam+. Designed for resilience, it boasts IP65 weather resistance. This ensures it performs reliably, even when faced with the harshest outdoor conditions. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals with 1080p Full HD resolution. Its powerful night vision illuminates your yard, ensuring you can see every detail, day or night. What we like. This camera offers true wire-free convenience, allowing you to place it virtually anywhere without worrying about power outlets. With an impressive 6-month battery life, you can set it up and forget about constant recharging. If you are looking for a reliable, low-maintenance outdoor camera that can withstand the elements and offers flexible placement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Introducing the eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit, a wireless outdoor security system designed for your peace of mind. It offers 1080p HD video, night vision, and motion-only alerts. It integrates perfectly with your Apple smart home system. Enjoy a smooth and enhanced user experience within the Apple ecosystem, all without any subscriptions. With its IP67 weatherproof rating, this outdoor camera stands strong against any weather. It promises reliable, year-round security for your home. Keep your wallet happy with this security camera. You can operate it without worrying about additional expenses, as no monthly fees are required to enjoy its full suite of features. Enjoy extended, hassle-free security monitoring. Its impressive 180-day battery life means you only need to charge it once every half year. This system acts as a discerning safety guardian. It uses intelligent human detection to accurately identify human presence, elevating your home's security measures. What we like. This system stands out with its commitment to no monthly fees, saving you money in the long run. It also boasts seamless HomeKit compatibility, perfect for those deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. If you prioritize a security solution that avoids recurring costs and integrates smoothly with your Apple smart home, this kit is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to select points as the input source was empty. Number 3. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Security Camera. Experience superior outdoor security with this camera. It captures incredibly detailed footage in 2K with HDR, ensuring clarity day and night. Installation is a breeze. You can place it anywhere outdoors without worrying about cables, providing a truly flexible security system. Stay connected with instant motion sensor notifications. You can also communicate directly through it with clear two-way audio, enhancing your home's security. Designed to endure any climate, this floodlight camera withstands heat, cold, rain, or sun. Its bright LED floodlight ensures continuous surveillance. Enhance its capabilities with an Arlo Secure Plan trial. This unlocks features like 30-day cloud storage, advanced detection, and 24/7 emergency response after the trial period. What we like. This camera delivers stunning 2K HDR video quality, ensuring every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. Its integrated, powerful LED floodlight provides both illumination and an added layer of deterrence at night. If you need superior video resolution and the enhanced security of a bright floodlight in a wire-free package, this is a top contender. What people say. This camera offers excellent video quality and reliable motion detection. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended outdoor use without frequent recharging. Number 2. DCT Magnetic Security Camera Outdoor. This camera offers a revolutionary 10-second installation. Simply peel, press, and snap it into place, making it perfect for renters or anyone avoiding drills. No tools, wires, or holes are needed for setup. Unlike other magnetic cameras, this one includes an adhesive magnetic base. You can place it on glass, tile, wood, or painted doors, ensuring the best view. It goes where the view matters most. It provides flexible placement with its no-drill adhesive magnetic mounting. You can easily adjust its angle, and a universal drill bracket is included for rough surfaces. This ensures drill-like stability, holding up to 5x its weight for 2 years. Enjoy clear 2K video and night vision, allowing you to see faces and details day or night. It offers free motion-triggered recording to save battery and storage. Optional AI subscriptions provide smarter alerts for people, pets, and packages. Its 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 60+ days in low-traffic use. With IP66 waterproof protection, it withstands rain and dust, ensuring continuous monitoring. This makes it a thoughtful gift for friends who rent or dislike DIY. What we like. This camera offers an incredibly easy, no-drill magnetic mounting solution, perfect for renters or anyone avoiding wall damage. It provides clear 2K video and night vision, ensuring you capture important details day or night. If you value hassle-free installation, especially for temporary setups or if you're a renter, and still want high-quality video, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Roku Indoor Camera 2-Pack. Keep an eye on your home from anywhere with these cameras. You can check on your kids or pets right from your Roku TV, player, or the Roku Smart Home app. Enjoy every detail in brilliant 1080p HD. Its full-color picture is clear, whether it's bright daylight or the middle of the night. Manage everything directly from the Roku Smart Home mobile app. You can view live streams, adjust settings, and even talk to your pets through it. Receive immediate alerts if any motion or sound is detected. It keeps you informed, whether you're out or just relaxing at home. Easily view the camera feed on your Roku TV or player. Just press a button on your remote or use Roku Voice, no need to get up. Elevate your home security with an optional Roku Smart Home subscription. It offers 14 days of cloud recordings and smart detection for specific events, ensuring you only get relevant notifications. What we like. This 2-pack offers unique integration with your Roku TV or player, allowing you to view feeds directly on your big screen. It provides crisp 1080p HD with full-color night vision, ensuring clear images even in low light. If you are already in the Roku ecosystem and need a reliable, feature-rich indoor camera for monitoring pets or kids, this is a perfect fit. What people say. No positive reviews were found in the provided source JSON as it was empty. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.